Thank you for your lecture today, Dr. Almeda and Mr. Fort. In your lecture, you talked about agency and its relevance to identity and joy. Could you elaborate more on the meaning of having agency in young people? 오늘 한국인 청소년 사역자들을 위해 인터뷰에 응해주셔서 감사합니다. 교수님의 강의에서 행동할 수 있는 힘, 영어로는 agency에 대해 중요성에 대해서 특별히 나눠주셨는데요. 이것이 무슨 의미인지 그리고 말씀하신 것처럼 그것이 어떻게 청소년의 정체성과 기쁨에 연관되어 있는지 더 설명해 주실 수 있으신가요?
So when I think about the connections between agency and identity, particularly for young people in minority communities, identity is often not just what we think about ourselves, but also what society expects. And agency is important for identity or connected with identity because it's the ability to say, this is who I am, or this is who I will become. And I am capable of this, or I am capable of transcending what society might think I am. And so it's important for us to think about that with adolescents because often they don't have a good sense of their own identity, but they're getting a lot of it from their peers or from mentors or from society. And so when they develop more fully, they're able to develop and say, wait a minute, let me own what it is that I'm going to be. So I'm not going to be just what my friends expect me to be, but my agency says I might be that, I might be more than that. I'm not going to be just what the larger society might expect me to be, and the larger society might say I'm apathetic or lazy, but I'm going to choose to be a person of integrity or a person of whatever it might be. And so that's why agency also is very important for identity. So it allows young people to navigate their own sense of who they are, but also expectations that are being put on them from the outside.